Assalamu alaikum children. Let's do some more exercise from our English workbook 3. Here is page number 15 and write date and day. And this, what is the instructions given on this page? Consonants and vowels. Now I am going to revise this for you again, that what are consonants and vowels. Now repeat with me. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Out of these, 5 of them are called vowels and the rest of the letters are called consonants. What are vowels, children? A, E, I, O, U. And the rest of the letters, they are called consonant. For example, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, and Z. These are called consonants. Now, what is the instruction given here? Circle the consonants blue and vowels red. Let's start circling first vowel. A. Make a small circle. Okay. A. E. I. O. And U. Vowels with, always remember, you should take red color for vowels and blue color for consonants. Now, is this a consonant? Yes, because we have already circled vowels and now these are consonants left. Let's circle it with blue color pencil. Okay. Just make a small circle like me and circle it till Z. Is that clear? Now read this, how many. Now here you have to tell you that how many vowels and how many consonants. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 vowels. And how many consonants? Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. So, vowels 5, consonants 21. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. Today we are going to recite our new poem. What is the title of the poem? Dear Abdullah. Now you have to read the poem with me. Come on, let's start reciting the poem. Are you ready? Let's start. Dear Abdullah had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo, E-I-E-I-O. Dear Abdullah had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O, with a mew-mew here and a mew-mew there, here a mew, there a mew, everywhere a mew-mew, E-I-E-I-O. Dear Abdullah had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O, with a choo-choo here and a choo-choo there, here a choo, there a choo, everywhere a choo-choo. Dear Abdullah had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Dear Abdullah had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. In this way you have to recite. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do more for us. Open the book with me, page number 22. Now first we have to write date and day. Now read the caption with me, write number in words and color. Now all I have to do is we have to count the bananas. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 bananas. Now you know now that the color of the banana is yellow. Now write the number here. Write number 6. Then is equals to sign. Now read the spelling with me. S I X 6. Again write the number is equals to sign. S I X 6. Again write number. Don't leave the block. Is equals to sign. Then spelling S I X 6. And like this you have to do the rest of this like this. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do more for us. Open the book with me, page number 23. Now first we have to write date and day. Now today I will tell you that how to write number in words and color. Now first let's count the pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have to write the number first. 7 is equals to sign. Now write the spelling with me. What is the spelling of 7? S E V E N. 7. Again in number 7 is equals to sign. S E V E N. 7. Again in number is equals to sign. S E V E N. And you have to do the rest of them like this. Thank you.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आपकी चंबेली की किताब है सफ़ा नंबर 15। मिलाइए। क्या लिखा है? मिलाइए। सबसे पहले आपने अपनी मम्मा की हेल्प से तारीख लिखनी है और यहाँ दिन लिखना है। मिलाइए। हमें क्या मिलाना है? हमें पूरे हर्फ को आधी उसकी छोटी शक्ल से मिलाना है। ठीक है, तो ये क्या लिखा है? पहला हर्फ क्या दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे? हमें सीन, और सीन की आधी शक्ल इन्होंने यहाँ हमें बताया है कि हमें किस तरह मिलाना है। फिर है शीन। शीन के ऊपर 3 नुक्ते होते हैं। अब आप बताएं यहाँ शीन कहाँ है? ये शीन, ये रहा शीन। अब आपने हमें से यहाँ से मिला देना है। फिर क्या है? स्वाद। क्या है ये? स्वाद। ये रहा स्वाद। नहीं, ये तो इसके ऊपर तो एक नुक्ता है और यहाँ एक नुक्ता नहीं है। अब हम इसे मिलाएंगे स्वाद से। ये क्या है? ज़्वाद। और ज़्वाद यहाँ ये रहा। हुरूफ़े तहजी तो आपको आती है ना, तो आपको ये मिलाने में आसानी होगी। और आपने ये जो हमने मिलाया है इसको आपने स्केल की मदद से करना है।